Anna! Jack! It is time for bed now, my loves.
But Mommy, can we please play just a little more?
I am building a big castle. It is almost done.
Your castle will be here tomorrow morning, I promise.
Okay, Mommy, but I really want to finish it tomorrow morning.
Of course you can, sweetheart. Let's go upstairs now.
Good night, little ones. Have sweet dreams, both of you.
Night, Dad. Don't touch my castle downstairs, okay?
There you go, my loves. All cozy and warm in your beds.
Mommy, your hands are so warm. Mommy, can you please read us a bedtime story tonight?
Yes, please. I want a story with a brave knight and dragon.
All right, but just one story tonight. Then it is time to sleep.
Thank you so much, Mommy. We promise to sleep right after it.
Let me find a very special book for both of you tonight. Once upon a time in a magical land far, far away, the brave knight walked alone through a dark and mysterious forest.
Mommy, look! I can see the knight floating above the book.
Oh my, that is very strange. I have never seen this before.
But Mommy, what happens next? Does the knight find something magical?
Let me think. Yes, the knight found a beautiful tree that glowed.
And then what happens? Does the knight meet a dragon there?
Yes. By the river, a friendly dragon was sleeping very peacefully.
Is there a castle in the story? Every knight needs a castle.
Of course, a beautiful crystal castle stood high in the magical mountains. Wait, I am not turning the pages. They're moving by themselves.
Is the book supposed to do that? It seems really strange.
Something very magical is happening right now. Stay close to me, children. It won't close. The book is not letting me close it at all.
What is happening, Mommy? Why won't the magic book close now?
Mommy, what is happening to us? Everything is spinning around now.
Hold on to me tight, both of you. Stay very close together.
Mommy, the light is so bright, I cannot see anything at all.
What happened? Where are we? This is not our bedroom at all.
Mommy, why are we sleeping outside? Where's my bed?
Whoa, look at the trees. They are glowing with pretty colors.
Stay close to me, children. We need to figure out where we are.
Wait, I know this place. Look, that is the castle from the story.
And there is the knight. He looks exactly like the one in the book. Oh no, I think we are inside the story. The book brought us here.
We are inside a book? Is this really real or just a dream?
This is so cool, but also kind of scary. Can we go home?
The book. Where is the book? We need it to get back home.
Mommy, look! The knight is moving now. He is pointing at the castle.
I think we need to follow the path. The answer must be inside.
Wow, the castle is so big and beautiful. How do we get inside?
To enter the castle and find your way home. Answer this riddle alone.
Is it magic? Magic is found in books and brings people together.
Maybe it is pictures. Pictures are in books too, I think.
Wait, I know the answer. It is a story. Stories bring us together.
That is correct, young one. A story brings hearts together. Enter now.
Look, there is the book. It is floating in the middle of the room.
We have to finish the story. The ending will take us back home. The brave knight found the treasure and went back home to his family.
And everyone was safe and happy together. That is the best ending.
Hold on to each other tight. The story is taking us back home now.
Look, there is my bed. We made it home.
We are home. We are really, truly home. Oh, I love you both so much.
Look, the book came back with us. It is right there on the table.
Is everything okay in here? I heard some happy voices from downstairs.
Daddy, we went inside a book. There was a castle and a knight.
And I solved a riddle about stories. The door's open for us, Daddy.
Good night, Mommy. The end. Sleep tight, my darlings. I love you more than any story could say.